Welcome back to the Labconco Demo Lab. Today, we're exploring the versatility of Labconco's SteamScrubber and FlaskScrubber glassware washers. Labconco's glassware washers are built for flexibility. Instead of a singular fixed layout, our system offers interchangeable racks and accessories designed to accommodate everything from standard beakers to highly specialized labware. Our washers harness the power of direct injection cleaning, and the rack you choose determines how water and detergent reach the interior surfaces of your glassware. That means your rack configuration plays a major role in cleaning efficiency and throughput. Upper and lower standard racks are available for washing a variety of general purpose items and support a range of baskets and inserts tailored to your laboratory's needs. Upper and lower standard racks are included with all SteamScrubber glassware washers. For more advanced needs, we also offer upper and lower spindle racks. These inserts include 36 removable spindles that inject water directly into your glassware and utilize forced air drying to ensure the glassware is completely dry inside and out. This is perfect for narrow items that are traditionally difficult to clean. A lower spindle rack is included with all FlaskScrubber and FlaskScrubber Vantage glassware washers. Labs with smaller glassware or higher capacity needs may also benefit from small spindle racks, which feature 60 small spindles, providing more injection points in the same footprint. To customize your washer even further, a wide range of purpose-built inserts are available for test tubes, pipettes, vials, graduated cylinders, petri dishes, trays, and more. If you're unsure what accessories you'll need for your lab, Labconco also offers 4 accessory starter kits for common laboratory glassware. Configuring your washer is quick and tool-free, allowing your team to transition between experiments without interrupting workflow. Our rack configurations ensure consistent cleaning performance, high throughput, and the flexibility to handle nearly any type of glassware used in your laboratory. To learn more about which washer configuration suits your workflow best, please visit labconco.com or contact your local Labconco sales representative.